welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another Lush unboxing video to share with you guys, and this time around I will be unboxing their Easter collection. So basically about 2 days ago I received this from Lush, and this is a huge golden egg, and this is one of the gift sets in their Easter collection. And I mean, just look at it, it's huge. I have a huge face, but this is even bigger than my face, so you know this is big. So this gift set contains a total of 4 of their new Easter products, and on top of that I also bought myself one of their new Easter products. Even before they sent me this, I just went into the store and I realized that they have launched their Easter collection, and I just picked up one of the items that I really like. So in today's video I will share with you guys a total of 5 products from their Easter collection. Okay, so without further ado, let's crack open this egg and see what we've got. As usual, I have my laptop down here with me so I can tell you more about the products and the names and stuff, because this is going to be more of a first impressions rather than a review, because obviously I haven't used any of the products. Okay, so I basically took my scissors and I made like a cut throughout the entire egg, so hopefully it'll open right now. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, it smells so good. It doesn't smell like Lush, but it smells like sweets. Okay, so as usual, it came with a slip of paper telling you the products as well as the ingredients in the products. Look at this. Looks so pretty. Starting with the first product, we have a bath bomb, and this one is called Free Ranger. I actually saw this in stores, and the cool thing about this bath bomb is that it's sold like this, but you can actually use it twice. So when it comes to bath bomb, usually you can only use it once because you throw the entire thing in. You cannot like break it in half or something. I don't know, I've never really seen people breaking bath bombs in half, but with this it already comes like this, so you can use it twice, which I think makes it even more worth it, because this one costs $18, so it's not like double the price of a usual bath bomb. Like usually bath bombs are like $15, $14, but this one is like $18. I think it's really cool that it fits like exactly. This sound, it's just so satisfying. I mean, if you want to, you can use both at the same time, but yeah, it just makes it more worth it that you can actually use it twice. This one comes in 3 different colors, but regardless of whatever color you get, it smells the same because it contains the same ingredient. It's just a different color, so depending on what color you want your bath to be. So I have the yellow and blue one, which will transform my bath into a like greenish blue color, and if you get the pink one, it will transform your bath into a pinky purplish color, and there's the other one which is an orange color, which will transform your bath into a pinky orange or purple and orange color. Okay, so this one contains an oil which is antiseptic and relaxing, and this also contains blackcurrant absolute, which I can smell because it's quite strong. Like the grape plumpy blackcurrant smell is actually quite strong, so it's quite fruity at the same time. And it also contains bergamot oil, which is uplifting and it helps to cleanse. It smells really nice. It smells a little bit like spicy for some reasons, I don't know, but if you like blackcurrant or anything that's like plumpy, grapey, you should try this one out. The next product is an egg, and it looks like this. It is pink, orange, and yellow, and it's sort of like an egg sandwich. Like it comes in 2 parts, and in the middle there's something holding it, which I assume is like shea butter or something, because there is a product, I think during Valentine's Day, it also comes in 2 parts like this, and it's also a Bubbleroon. Did I mention this is a Bubbleroon? Yeah, this is a Bubbleroon, and the one from Valentine's Day is also a Bubbleroon, and it also looks something like that, and in between there's like shea butter. So this one, oh my god, this one smells minty, and yeah, this one contains mint and chocolate. It does smell very minty. I feel like this is the very first time I'm smelling a minty Bubbleroon. By the way, this one is called Cream Egg, and I've never eaten a cream egg before, but maybe it's minty. Is it minty? I don't know, but it does smells like mint chocolate. Okay, so this one contains spearmint oil, which is the mint, I guess, and it also contains organic cocoa butter as well as shea butter for nourishing and hydrating, softening and conditioning. Wow, this smells really strong. I actually really like it. This one also comes in 3 different patterns. So it comes in this one, which is pink, orange and yellow. It also comes in a yellow with like polka dots on it, and it also comes with blue and pink. The next item is a really big looking egg, and this is called Which Came First, the chicken or the egg? It smells like a typical Lush product. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit citrusy. When you drop this into your bath, it will transform your bath into a pinky orangey shade, which actually looks like the color of grapefruit. I'm not actually a huge fan of the pattern. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it's just a bunch of yellow dots protruding out of the egg, and I'm one of those person that has like a phobia of things with a bunch of holes or things with a bunch of protruding circles. So I'm not really a fan of like the pattern. Yeah. The very last item in the gift box is one that I was really wanting to get when I was at Lush, but I gave it a miss because I was getting things for a little short getaway, so I preferred something like a bath bomb or a bubble bath. I was really interested in this item because the staff recommended it to me and I smelled it and it smells amazing, and also it's a bath bomb melt, which is a product that I really like. Like, I love bath melts. So this product is a golden egg. It looks so cute. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It looks really epic as well. Like, it's covered in a bunch of thick glitter. And I should really put this down because I think it's melting in my fingers. Now my fingers are all covered in glitter. But anyway, this one contains olive oil, which helps to moisturize and protect your skin. It also contains orange oil, bergamot oil that is uplifting, rejuvenating, and it also contains cocoa butter, which I believe is the reason why it smells so bomb. I feel like I got it on my face. I'm really excited to try this because it's extremely glittery. Like, the glitter are in full force and they are like chunky glitter, so I can only imagine my bath being super magical looking, and basically this will transform your bath into a golden yellow color. So that is all for the huge golden eggs. So moving on to the very last product that I picked up myself at Lush. I have this, which is called the Poisson de Avril, I guess, and it's a bubble bath. So I like to keep my Lush bath products, like my bath bombs and basically everything, in Ziploc bags because you're supposed to keep them in a airtight container. Otherwise they will not work as well if you don't use them as soon as possible. So I like to keep them in Ziploc bags, and don't worry, I do recycle the Ziploc bags. Like, for example, when I use this, I take out the product and I will keep the Ziploc bag for the next product that I will buy, and I'll put it like in the Ziploc bag. This is the one that I picked up at Lush, and I got it because it has cinnamon in it. Oh my god, this smells so so nice. And I also really like the pattern of it. It's a fish, which I think is really cute, and I was looking at the video on Lush, and they're just making the fish swim, and I think it looks really cute. So basically this will transform your bath into a really dark orangey red color, which is a shade I've never tried before, so I'm really quite excited about that actually. And oh my god, it really smells so good. Okay, so this one contains Oak Moss Absolute that contributes to its mossy fragrance. And it also contains neroli oil that is uplifting and toning, and cinnamon leaf oil as well as black pepper oil. Oh, no wonder it smells kind of spicy as well, I think because of the black pepper. It smells really warm and like spicy. So yeah, basically the cinnamon and the black pepper oil helps to make it warming and spicy and stimulating. I'm really excited to try this because it's a fragrance that I've never really tried, like such a spicy and warm fragrance, and I think that will go really well with a super warm bath. Okay, so those are all the new products I have from Lush Easter collection, and while we are at it, I thought I would share with you guys this product right over here that was also sent to me from Lush. This is actually a shampoo bar and it says SOS on it because basically they're having a campaign to save Sumatra. So basically a lot of our shampoos and even food contains palm oil, which is extracted in Sumatra, like the forest in Sumatra, I guess. So this extraction of palm oil is actually really harmful to the wildlife living in Sumatra because it's literally like destroying their home. So in this campaign, Lush is trying to reduce the amount of usage of palm oil, so basically encouraging people to stop using shampoos that contains these sort of products that will harm the environment as well as the wildlife in their home. So this is one of the products that they've came up with, and this one contains moringa seed powder and coconut oil. So basically if people start using more environmentally friendly products, we can help to regenerate and regrow the forest and save their home. So I think this product is really cool because initially when I received it, I thought it was like a bar of soap, but it's actually a shampoo bar, which is something I've never tried before, and I'm really keen to try it because first of all, it's really easy to bring around, and because I have been working out a lot lately, I feel like this will be a great product to bring along with me to the gym. So after I'm done working out, when I shower, I can use this, and also because this smells so fresh. It's not a scent that I feel like I will love to like spritz around my room or anything, but it just smells so fresh that I think it's like the perfect thing to use like after a sweaty gym session. So I'm super excited to try this, and I think it feels really special as well. When I look at it like that, I thought it was gonna be really rough, but it's actually really smooth. So if you're interested in the SOS Sumatra campaign, I'll leave the link to it down in the description box below so you can read more about it. And if you're interested to get this shampoo bar, this one is retailing at $25. So those are all the products from Lush. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'm actually planning to film a Q&A for you guys, but I'm not really sure where I can gather all your questions. I've been asked to do a Q&A for quite some time now, but I just don't really have a platform for you guys to send in your questions. So if you have any questions for me, just leave them in the comment section below, or you can DM me via Instagram or email. Basically send your questions to me so I can film the Q&A for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!